In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice templates in Wave Accounting. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded invoice that looks professional and communicates exactly what your clients need to see. Start by opening your account and heading to your settings. Click your business name in the top right corner and choose Business Settings. This is where all your customization options live, so it's the best place to make changes that stick. Next, look to the left side menu. Under the Sales and Payments heading, select Invoices and Estimates. This brings up your template controls and a handy preview so you can see your changes as you make them. Let's begin with visual branding. Choose a template style that matches your brand personality. You'll see options like contemporary, modern or original, and classic or standard. Each one arranges the same information a little differently, so pick the layout that feels right for your audience and the tone of your business. Add your logo to make the invoice instantly recognizable. Upload a JPEG, PNG, or GIF. For best results, keep it under 5 megabytes and around 300 by 200 pixels so it appears crisp without slowing anything down. After uploading, make sure the display logo option is checked, otherwise it won't show on the invoice. If your logo has a transparent background, a PNG often looks especially clean. Choose your accent color to tie everything together. You can drag on the color wheel for a quick match or paste a specific hexadecimal code if you know your brand color exactly. Aim for strong contrast so text remains easy to read. Dark text with a subtle accent color is a reliable combination. Now refine the content and defaults to streamline your workflow. Adjust your columns to suit what you sell. For example, if you provide services rather than physical goods, you might hide the quantity column or rename labels so they better reflect your offerings. Clear labels reduce questions and speed up approvals. Set your default terms so every new invoice starts with the right details. Update the invoice title, add a helpful subheading if you need one, write a footer with any standard notes or payment instructions, and choose your payment terms, such as due on receipt or net 30. Setting these defaults keeps your branding and policies consistent from invoice to invoice. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Save All Changes. Your selections will apply automatically to all future invoices, helping you work faster and present a polished, consistent brand every time. That's it, your invoices are now customized, clear, and ready to send with confidence.